All right, y'all, day 6. And here's what everything looks like. All right, this is where we were at yesterday. It has risen. It didn't really fall all that much, but it's still very active. You see all those bubbles. My favorite thing to do is kind of shake it and see what happens. You see all those bubbles? It's real active. Nice. You can bake with this, okay? This is like prime time, ready to go, okay? It's very active, it's very happy, okay? I am, again, going to be gone all day. So, I also fed this yesterday. Remember how I scraped the sides, or told you could scrape the sides? Well, I fed this one too to kind of prove somewhat of a point. It did rise a bit. I think it got up to like here and then it came back down. This one dropped quite a bit. So I'm going to empty some of this. Okay, I'm going to discard some of this into that, the big one. I'm going to put the big one in my fridge to kind of pause what's going on, if you will. Because I like one in my fridge, and then I'll feed the one on the counter daily. But I use a lot of the sourdough starter. So you don't have to do that. It's just what I do. So I'm going to discard probably half of this, feed it, and then leave it on my counter until tonight. And then tomorrow I'm going to be baking with it. So I'm going to use, honestly, I'm probably going to feed this one a 1/4 cup of water and a 1/4 cup of flour today and combine it. And then just let it sit all day because I have this monstrosity. So I don't have to feed this half cup, okay? I could, you could. Also, if yours is not doubling, it's okay to feed it for a couple more days until it's actively doubling and growing in size and looking as happy as this one is, okay? It's okay to do that. Everybody's is going to be a little bit different based off of where you live, based off of how warm or cool your house is, what time of year you're doing this, humidity levels, all the things, okay? So everybody's journey, if you will, is going to be a little different. So don't think that because mine did it in 5 days, yours isn't. Don't think that because mine or yours does it in doesn't double until day 7, that's not okay and you failed, okay? Keep going. Some days they go kind of dormant. They'll go kind of dormant for a couple days, especially if you start from scratch. They'll go dormant for a couple days. That's fine. It's fine. Just keep at it. Keep going. If you hit 2 weeks where you're feeding it daily and nothing is really happening, then you probably messed up. But yeah, so if you're going to leave it on the counter, you have to feed it every day or every other day. If you're putting it in your fridge, that's different. So we'll have to touch base on that kind of. If anybody has questions, I'll kind of touch base on that. But yeah, if it's going in your fridge, you just kind of feed whenever. But what I've found is if I discard from the one on the counter into the one in my fridge, I don't have to feed it. It's like it's getting fed. And then mine does it just fine. So again, everybody's journey is a little bit different. If you have questions, let me know and I'll try to touch on them. But yeah, I'm ready to bake tomorrow. So I'll see you all tomorrow.